Welcome to Catherine's Money Tips, where you'll discover insider secrets on how to save time, energy, and money when buying, selling, refinancing, renovating, and maintaining your home. This episode is brought to you by Catherine Dow of Catherine Dow Mortgages, the #1 mortgage choice for homebuyers. Now, here's your money tip.
Okay, today we're going to talk about when it's acceptable to back out of an offer and how to do it. It's only natural to have second thoughts about making a major decision. But if your offer to buy a house is accepted and then you decide to back out of it, things can get a little complicated. It's definitely possible to back out, but it can be expensive and create legal issues. Here are some things to consider. When you sign a purchase agreement, you have to provide an upfront deposit to show you're serious about following through. But if you back out of your offer, you could lose this money. One way to avoid losing your deposit is to have contingencies in your offer that allow you to back out without penalty. These contingencies can include your lender declines to provide sufficient financing, your home inspection uncovers significant problems which the seller refuses to fix, your lender's appraisal comes in less than expected, you haven't sold your existing home. If you don't have appropriate contingencies in place, you may still be able to back out of the deal, but you risk losing your deposit. Not only that, the seller could decide to sue and the court could force you to pay any difference between the original price and what the seller can get from another buyer. If you find you need to back out of an accepted offer, discuss the situation with your realtor and let the seller know immediately. If you can't come to a resolution, you'll have to involve a real estate attorney. However, in some jurisdictions, the buyer and seller can opt for mediation. While losing your deposit may sound expensive, it can be less expensive than purchasing a home you can't afford. Another valuable resource to rely on through this process is your mortgage professional. As your local mortgage experts, we can work closely with you, your realtor, and your lenders. If and when problems arise, we're always available to help you research the most cost-effective solution. So there you have it. I've just given you examples of when and how you should back out of an offer. For more information or how to get in touch with one of our trusted realtors, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Catherine's Money Tips. If you have any questions or comments, please call Catherine today at 613-501-6638.